said y'all broke up a long time ago. Who was selling snow? Let's go, y'all. Let's go. Who that is? Who that is? Who that is? Who that is? Let's go. Who that is? Who that is? Who that is? Let me tell you what I told her, girl. You said your baby daddy was locked up for a while. The first thing y'all was at the mall. You a lie. Okay, then what's his name? Yesterday he said his name was James. It's the same. It must be your new boyfriend. I know your best friend told me the dude name was Key. You better get it together because whenever you lie, I'm like, Mary J, I'm not gonna cry. 2017, let's go. Y'all with it? I bet that's just your baby daddy. Who that is? 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 Let me tell you what I told the girl. She lying, y'all. She lying. Now see, that's a perfect example. You know you ain't finna go and get no pampers. But why you had to get some milk? If you don't hurt back, I'm gonna make that dip. Oh baby, you can save the drama. But something they gonna see my baby mama now. Who that is? 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 Who that is, y'all? Let me tell you what I told the girl. I'm sick and tired, girl. You about to get fired, girl. Don't even try, girl. Behind already been lying, girl. I'm sick and tired, girl. You about to get fired, girl. Shut up and be quiet, girl. I'm sick and tired of all your lying, girl. 2017. They ain't my baby. They ain't my kid. If you don't get food stamps, I don't want to be with you. I need to get with 8 kids. That's 800 food stamps. Let's go. Who that is? Who that is? Who that is? Who that is? Tell him, Chris. Who that is? Who that is? Who that is? Let me tell my told her. Ain't your baby daddy. Ain't your baby daddy. Ain't your baby daddy. She ain't your. 1, 2. 1, 2, 1. Somebody say go T-Bir, go T-Bir, go. Say go T-Bir, go T-Bir, go. 1, 2. 1, 2. Bring on, gonna be a star. Who that is? Who that is? What? 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 I'm from Mobile, Alabama, baby.